How to change chat wallpaper on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to messages on top right. Click on the chat where you want to change chat wallpaper. Click on top. Then you'll find theme. Click on theme. You'll find all these options of wallpaper for your chat. Simply select the one you want. Then click on select. After you click on select, your wallpaper on your chat will be changed like this. This is how to change chat wallpaper on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.